Okay guys, against my better judgment, I'm going to cut my giant pumpkins free off this vine. It's really looking kind of bad, and the root system is totally gone. It's been cut here already. I cut it. This was what's left of the root system that went right in there. So it's still green here. It might be still getting some water, I'm not sure. I don't think they're going to get any bigger, to be honest. And they can finish up doing what they're doing off the vine. Some water leaking in here, I can see. So I'm probably just going to cut this sucker. Cut that off of there anyway. Get that out of there. Cut this one out too. Get that out of there. I mean, the vine is still healthy, guys. It's just that, you know, it's definitely done. We're just going to cut this one like that, guys. And you can see there's a lot of water still in this vine. It's really wet and watery. We'll just take this one out for now and see if it's free. Yeah, let me roll it over, see what the bottom looks like, make sure it's not rotted. Okay, not too bad. It's kind of flat. You know, starting to get some brown spots and stuff, so we're going to want to get this cleaned up too. Okay guys, I have the water. Just going to wash it up a little bit. Try to get some of this dirt out of here. And probably do the same with the other one. I'm just going to crank this a little bit higher. Center. I'd rather just use center. Okay. So we just get that dirt off of there a little bit better than what it is right there. Good, good. Get it washed up. We're going to let this dry for a little while. Then we're going to probably do the same with the other one. And we got to put this somewhere. See how it's flat on one side? It's giant pumpkin-ish, you know what I mean? This is giant pumpkin, so... And it started, see how there's like, I don't know if that's like a mildew or it's just green there. But these brown spots are definitely no good, you know what I mean? So... yeah, so I guess the other one's going to be the same way. We might as well cut the other one too. Get it over here and wash it up. And we're going to have to store these for a while, so they can firm up a little bit, especially with the stem here get hard. You don't want to grab the stems when you cut them because they're definitely still tender and weak stem. You really don't want to disturb that a whole lot. Just get this sucker. I guess it's just more or less scabbing from stretching from a small pumpkin to a giant pumpkin, you know, like it is here, kind of big. Just dry the sucker off a little bit, if you know, just to dry it off a little bit. Okay. Now we'll work on the next one, and I think it's time to just take these off. I'm not really happy with all this here, but I'm thinking maybe in time this will just, it'll continue to grow a little bit and do what it needs to do. It's October 10th. Cut the rest of this out. See if we can just drag this to the back area just to get rid of the main vine. Got some compost going here. Not a lot of compost, but we got compost. We got some roots growing in individual spots there. Not too much of roots, but there's roots, independent root systems on there. The gnats, I don't know if you guys can see the gnats. They're just, where are they? Over here. They're just where are they? Over here. They're just invasive, you know, like in the face. And I think it's time to get rid of these guys. Look at the root system on there. Wow, look at those roots. Wow, they're like carrot roots, guys. Look at this. We're going to examine this whole vine. Once I pluck it out, yes, we're going to look close. And I'm yanking vines out, I'm sure. So it's totally upside down. Closest to the root system, we have a nice vine right here. And I'm sure these branch out quite a bit, you know. You figure every one, this was not doing too good. Look at the size of that one. Wow, guys, that's got to be almost a foot in length that this vine grew to get water. About a foot in length. Look at the size of that. Nice. That's a nice vine, guys. Look how long. Can you see it? Okay. And I'm sure some of these busted. They're a lot longer. They bust. Look at this one, guys. About 8 inches. Okay, so they do break. We got one here that broke. It's definitely about 3.5 inches. So, I mean, way back at the end, guys, we got, this was probably at least 4 inches long. So, the root systems definitely do get down there pretty deep. Probably 15 to 20 inches, maybe a foot down or more, or 2 feet down. Awesome pumpkin plant. My first one, guys. Wow, I can't believe I'm doing this, guys. We got the biggest pumpkin that I grew so far. And I could get the mower out and just cut the rest of this grass. What I'm going to do, guys, is just try to cut this as close to the stem as I can, and once I turn it, I could probably cut, oh wow, a little bit more of this off the main pumpkin. And I'm going to try to roll this, so okay, we just look underneath, guys. Okay, so we got a lot of dirt and stuff, just like the other one. A lot of bugs and spiders, which we don't want. And I'm going to try to get this one over there. We even got a little salamander here. Oh, look at these eggs, guys. What are these eggs? Little night crawler. Are those salamander eggs? Wow, that's kind of strange, guys. Salamander eggs with the salamander. He's got to wake up a little bit to make it. And we'll just get this stuff out of the way, guys. I'm just going to have to maybe turn this camera off a little bit as I try to, we'll just do this. Maybe you guys can see something as I try to carry or move. Oh my goodness. Oh. Easy, easy. Try to carry and move that pumpkin. It's so heavy, guys. Not as bad. Not as bad. I mean, for a big pumpkin like that, it's not too bad. And of course, the hose got off-centered. Yeah, just give it a good washing. There's lots of dirt. The same type of brownish. Hopefully there's no rotted Hopefully that's just a scar and scab right there, and that's not rotted. Perhaps we should have took this off a while ago. Or a few weeks ago maybe. And we'll get that t-shirt over there and just try to give this a good washing and drying. Ooh, the gnats are just horrible. The gnats are so horrible, guys. That's scabby. You know, so good thing we took it off now before they had a time to start to rot. This pumpkin had a lot of movement. You can see all the scabs, the scratches from something. I don't know what these scratches would be from, but yeah, something tried to eat this. It's kind of firm. So you know, hopefully it's not going to be an issue with just keeping this. What was that? I don't know what that was, guys. I heard something loud. There's another little scab right here. Stuff probably tried to eat at it, and so it happens. Still a good pumpkin, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna move them from here. I'm gonna have to get the hand cart and try to just get these moved. Okay, so we got an old cabinet door. Hopefully that's gonna be okay. I'm gonna try to get the flat spot onto that wood and then maybe pick this thing up and take it to another area. I should maybe bring everything down here and just roll it right on and then pick it up so there's no mistake. Gnats are still a pain in the neck here. But here's the pumpkins. We got them resting. Now they're going to rest here for a few days. Let these stems start to get a little bit hardened. I'm going to try to do a little trimming here with the knife and here, and get that kind of trimmed up a bit. Even them a look compared to the propane tank, guys. You know what I'm saying? They're kind of big for sure.